Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you south facing plan of 3-bedroom hall kitchen portion, which is consisting of 200 square yards. So I will show you the plan for the respect to south facing direction now. So go to this PDF file. So this is my plan which is showing south facing direction. So it will be consisting of 38 feet 6 inches in south facing direction. So this is the east facing direction, this is the south facing direction, so this is the west facing direction, as well as this is north facing direction. Now I will explain you the actual side distance. So this is the actual side distance values, which is consisting of 72 feet 9 inches in east facing direction, and in south facing direction it will be consisting of 38 feet 6 inches. In west facing direction it will be consisting of 65 feet 6 inches. In north facing direction it will be consisting of 35 feet 6 inches. This site is 11 degrees cross towards east facing direction, so that's why we are taking the offset for this respective portion in this south facing direction. This site contains 1791 square feet area, so I will convert this respective square feet area into yards. Go to your calculator. So we need to take the 1791, which is divided by 9, will give you 199 point something, which is approximately equal to 200 square yards. Now I will explain you the details about this respective plan. So I was taking the offset of 15 feet in south facing direction for this respective plan, so which is helpful for the planting as well as the parking area. So this is the gate which is provided in south facing direction. So I was taking this dimensions of this respective gate as 15 feet. This is the parking place for this respective area. So this is the wide walk towards east facing direction. This plan contains 12 number of columns, which is consisting of 14 inches in length direction distance as well as 9 inches in width direction distance. So this is the 4 feet 10 inches distance for the wide walk, which is in southeast direction. So this is the distance of 7 feet, which is in northeast direction. So for the wide walk. So after that I will show you the back dimensions also. So this is my backside dimensions, which is consisting of 6 feet 7.7 inches for the respective southwest direction. So this is the 3 feet 4 and 4.3 inches for the respective northwest direction. So the staircases are provided in north facing direction here. Now I will explain you details about this respective 3-bedroom hall kitchen house. So through this east facing direction we are entering into the main door here. So main door is provided in east facing direction, which is consisting of 6 feet width. So this is the window which is provided in east facing direction, which is consisting of 3 panels. Each panel will be consisting of 12 inches, which is approximately equal to 1 feet. So this 1 multiplied by 3 will give you 3 feet for the respective window here. So through this main door we are entering into the hall section. So this is the hall section for this respective house, which is provided with the sofa here. So which is consisting of 15 feet 2 inches in length direction distance for this respective house and 11 feet 3 inches for this width direction distance. So through this respective hall we are entering into the kitchen portion here. So this is the kitchen dimensions for this respective house. So kitchen is provided with 1 window, which is consisting of 2 panels. Each panel will be consisting of 12 inches. So which is approximately equal to 1 feet. 1 multiplied by 2 will give you 2 feet for this respective window. So this is the kitchen dimensions. So which is consisting of 13 feet 2.5 inches in length direction distance and 7 feet 7 inches in width direction distance. So this is the puja room for this respective house, which is provided in east facing direction. The dimensions of the puja room are 4 feet in length direction distance as well as 4 feet in width direction distance. For this respective puja room, it was attached with 1 ventilation here. So the ventilation is provided with 1.5 feet. So this is the dimensions for this respective kitchen. So after that, through this respective hall section we are entering into the bedroom for this respective house. So this is the door which is provided for the bedroom 1, so which is consisting of 3 feet width. So through this door we are entering into the bedroom 1. So this is the dimensions of this respective bedroom. So which is consisting of 12 feet 10 inches in x direction distance as well as 16 feet 4 inches in width direction distance. So this is the attached bathroom for this respective bedroom 1, which is consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 3 feet 8 inches in width direction distance. So this is the window which is provided in south facing direction, which is consisting of 3 panels here. Each panel will be consisting of 12 inches, which is approximately equal to 1 feet. So 3 multiplied by 1 will give you 3 feet for these respective panels. Through this hall we are entering into the bedroom with the help of this door. The dimensions of this respective door will be 3 feet, which is provided in east facing direction. So this is the dimensions of this respective bedroom 2, which is consisting of 14 feet 9.5 inches in length direction distance, as well as 12 feet 7.5 inches for this respective width direction distance. So this is the window which is provided for the respected bedroom 2, which is in west facing direction. So the window will be consisting of 3 panel here, which is approximately equal to 3 feet. So through this respective hall we are entering into the third bedroom. So this is the wide walk for this respective third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom door, which is also consisting of 3 feet width. So this is the dimensions of third bedroom, which is consisting of 11 feet 5 inches in length direction distance for this respective house, and 11 feet 4.5 inches in width direction distance for this respective house. Here the window is provided in north facing for this respective bedroom 3, which is consisting of 3 panels, which is approximately equal to 3 feet. So this is the toilet for this respective house, which is consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance, as well as 4 feet in width direction distance, which is consisting of ventilation here. When the dimensions of the ventilations are 1.5 feet. So through this respective hall now we are entering into the drawing room. So this is the drawing room for this respective house, which is provided in northeast direction. So which is consisting of 10 feet 8 inches in length direction distance, as well as 8 feet 1.5 inches in width direction distance. So this is the door which is provided in east facing direction for this house, which is consisting of 5 feet width. So this is the window which is provided for the drawing room, which is approximately equal to 24 inches, which is equal to 2 feet. So this is the staircases for this respective house, which is given in north facing direction. The width of this respective staircases is 6 feet. So this is the offset which is provided in north facing direction, which is approximately equal to 1 feet from the compound wall. Now I will explain you the dimensions of the wall for this respective house. All outer walls will be provided as 9 inches for this respective house, and inner walls will be provided as 5 inches for this respective triple bedroom hall kitchen house. Now I will explain you number of windows, number of doors, and number of ventilations to be provided for this respective triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. So in east facing direction it will be consisting of 2 windows here, and in west facing direction it will be consisting of 1 window, and in south facing direction it will be consisting of 1 window. In north facing direction it will be consisting of 2 windows here. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 6 number of windows for this respective house, and ventilations are 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 ventilations. Now I will count the doors for this respective house. For this house it will be consisting of 6 number of main doors. So and this washroom doors equals to 2 numbers, and total will be consisting of 6 plus 2 equals to 8 number of doors for this respective triple bedroom hall kitchen house. Now I will explain you center to center distance between the columns for this respective house, which is consisting of 12 number of columns. So go to your PDF 1 here. So this is the center line diagrams for this respective columns, which is consisting of 12 numbers. So this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column, seventh column, eighth column, ninth column, 10th column, 11th column, 12th column. So the distance between the first column as well as second column equals to this respective center to center distance. So which is consisting of 12 feet 9.5 inches in length direction distance. The second column as well as this respective third column will be consisting of this respective value, which is approximately equal to 15 feet 2 inches. So after that I will explain you third column as well as fourth column distance. So this is the third and fourth column distance for this respective house, which is consisting of 11 feet 9.5 inches. Now I will explain you the center to center distance for this respective columns in vertical direction. So this is the vertical directions columns. So this is the column number 1, 2, which is consisting of 12 feet center to center distance, and this respective second column as well as this third column will be consisting of 13 feet in vertical direction distance. So this is the house plan, which is consisting of triple bedroom hall kitchen portion in south facing direction. I will attach this respective plan in description. If you need this respective plan, please download this plan from the description. Thank you.